All right, so we're going to take a look at the solar powered spotlights for the outdoors. It does come in a pack of 2, as you can see. And then just to give you some specs, like I mentioned, it is solar powered, also IP67 waterproof. So when it rains, it's not going to harm the lights. Durable design and heat resistant as well. So let's go ahead and open up the box and see what all comes inside. So inside the box, you have the stakes, which you would use to secure the lights into the ground. But you also have the option to mount these on a wall, perhaps a wall on your home. So you also get some anchors as well as a couple screws if you choose to go that route. So take a closer look here. You can see you have the solar panel on the top. And when you're installing these, you want to make sure that you put these in a position where they're going to be exposed to the sun. That's going to give you the best performance out of the lights. So I'm actually just going to be using my lights in the ground. I'm not going to mount them to a wall or anything like that. So I actually don't need these for now. So what you want to do is first you can grab this portion and stick it right into the bottom of the light, kind of like so. And then once you do that, you can take the stake and stick it into the bottom of that portion there, just like that. And then you also have this knob here, which you can use to adjust the angle of the light. So if we turn it this way, you can see that we can adjust the angle of the light. And again, we want to make sure that we put it in a position where the solar panel is directly in contact with the sun. And then also directly on the back of the light, you'll see where you have the power button, also the mode button. It does have 2 different modes. So you have a bright mode as well as a dim mode. So this is the button that you would use to control the different modes.